front of me is DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Before doing anything, quick disclaimer. To set up face unlock, you absolutely need to have screen lock set it up. Without it, your device won't let you add face data. So make sure you have it, and when you're ready, hit settings. Then scroll to tap on this section called Security and Privacy. Now tap on Device Unlock and select Fingerprint and Face Unlock section available here. Enter your current login method and tap on Face Unlock under Ways to Unlock. Now you need to scroll all the way down, tap on Start Inputting, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you finished, tap on Done. Then make sure this switcher next to Unlock Your Phone is green. Without this option enabled, you won't be able to unlock your device using face recognition. So now when I go back to check it out, switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!